Alright, so now we have the video all edited and we need to share it out to other people. And the way that we are going to do that is to export it as a video. And we're going to do that by going under File, Export, whoops, I gotta make sure this timeline is selected, File, Export Media, or Control or Command M. And when you get in here, you see that you have a window over here that if you move this playhead, you'll see the video that you're exporting. You do want to make sure that you have the right thing selected here. If you have in and out set on the timeline, it will, and this is sequence in and out here, it will only render the part that's in between your in and outs. If you do not have in and out points, this does the whole video, but you can also, just to be safe, say entire sequence. And here you can see it's the same thing. It's 16 seconds long. All right, so here is our video, and we want it to be output so that, here, this isn't quite small enough. Let me make it a little bit smaller. We want it to be output so that we can play it on the web. So we're going to pick H.264, which is a web format. And then we're going to pick a preset. Now we can tell it just to match the source. And right here you can see in the summary section, the source is that it's a 720 video and that it's approximately 30 frames per second, and that it's progressive, and that it's 16 seconds, and then there's the audio information. And we're telling it right now this is what we want it to be output, and it's almost the same. It's got a little more information. We don't need to worry about that too much. But because we're going to be exporting this for either YouTube or Vimeo, we can pick an actual preset for those. And I don't know if you're going to be able to see this all, but below this, these Vimeo presets, they're actually YouTube presets. So I'm actually going to pick the YouTube 720p HD preset. And so that's the way it's going to export it. So when I'm done with that, I'm just going to click this export button, and it will export the file right in front of us. This is a very short one. The export time will depend on the length of the video, how many special effects you have in the video, the power of your computer, all kinds of good stuff. So now that is all we had to do. So if we can, I'm gonna go find that video so I can show you. And here is the video that we just made. And if I do that, click on that, here it is, and I push play, there it is. So that's how easy it is to export a video out of Premiere.